What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another vlog. And right now I didn't plan on filming, but the way Ashton's room looked, I'm like, he about to clean this up before he go to bed. Look at this. Let me just get this camera. Look at this. Come on, boy. Look. Come here. Come here. Get your butt back up here, because I'm not about to clean your room. I'm going to get him to come back up here, because I'm not about to clean this room. Come on, Ashton. He's sitting over here watching Peppa Pig, but this room look like a pigsty. So just watch us, because I'm going to help him, of course, but I'm definitely going to make him clean it. Look, he always put his cars up here. Look, y'all, he been, oh my God. We need to touch up paint. He probably just been writing these cars all over our walls. No. Oh my God. Wait till I tell his daddy, like, okay. Because we was going to plan on touch up. I might just keep it like this, because we plan on doing touch up painting like for the spring. You know, when you do your little spring cleaning, checking out our shower curtains and, you know, cleaning. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to do a deep clean then and do some touch up painting. What? No, you about to come in. You about to clean your room first, okay? So yeah, just watch us while we clean his room. All right, come on, buddy. Let's come get these toys and clean up, okay? And then you're gonna go to bed, okay? So what we're gonna do is put the little cards in here. You all right? Say hey, YouTube. Yes. Okay, let me kiss it. All right, go ahead, clean up. You can. Okay. Okay, there you go. Clean up. Show me your big boy. Clean up, everybody, everywhere. All right, go ahead, clean up. Come on, Chucky. Come on, finish putting the stuff in there. I'm gonna help you a little bit. Hey, can you stop all that crying? You the one who made the mess? Who made this mess? You see, look at all them toys on your bed. Come on, clean up. Okay, get the other toys over there. Get the chase. Okay, I'm gonna fix it. Okay, now get all your toys. Come on, buddy. Come on, you got it. Come on, bud. He gonna just cry the whole time. Come on, put it in there. Put it. Ashton, put your monster truck in with the cars. Okay. I know, buddy. All right, let me help you. Okay. Come on, big boy. Come on, put the Paw Patrol car over here next to the garbage truck. Push this. Look. Let me see. Give it to me. There you go. Okay, push this over here. Put the school bus. Look, you gotta get your school bus. Put it in here. Let me kiss it. Let me kiss it. Mwah.
Kiss the camera.
You kiss the camera? Okay. Mwah. You feel better? Wipe your mouth. They said wipe your mouth. Okay. Good job, Chucky. Look, you got some more toys. Get these toys.
No.
You got. I'm gonna put that right there. Come on. Look, put these cars in there. See? Good boy. Come on. Hey. We done listened to you cry for almost 5 minutes. That's enough. Come on. What did I do? No, I'm not done. Come on, get all the toys. What? Say I need help.
I need help.
Let me see.
It's an excavator.
Yeah, it's an excavator.
Oh.
Okay, you want me to help him get these? Ow, Ashton. Oh, you on my hair? Ashton, you on my hair. Come on here. Look, I'm gonna move the bed. Come, go get it.
Okay. Oh.
You cleaning up, buddy? Good job. Look, put it over here. Good job. Come on, come get your fire truck. Get the fire truck. Put it over here. Come on. There you go. Let me help you. Let me help you. You got a car stuck in your fire truck. You got a little fire truck stuck in here, y'all. Okay, but go get your car up under your slide. Right here. Go get that car under the slide.
Okay.
Go get the car under the slide. No, it's under the slide, Ashton. Look under. Look at him. Get all them cars on the window. Get them cars off the window. Be careful.
No.
Come on, get your cars from the window.
No.
Come on. Go ahead. It's gonna fit. You got too much stuff in there that don't belong in it. I'm gonna take out the stuff that don't belong in there. Okay, put it in there. There you go. Okay. I know. Good boy. Yay, give me 5. Okay. Come on, let's put the Paw Patrol. Get your Paw Patrol cars. Let's put your Paw Patrol cars right here. You see? You want the Paw Patrol? Here. Put them on there. Here you go, Marshall. Here you go, Police Dog Chase. Ashton, hush, okay? Come on, we'll put him right here, okay? Where Everett? You gonna ride it? Let me see. He may keep these in his bed. All right, are you good? Are you good? Are you done? Come on, put your pillow on the bed. Come on, get your pillow. No, this one right here. Ashley, get this one. Put that one on your bed. This one normally go on your bed too, but you're going to sleep. So, let me set it up. Okay. I normally have that. Are you done? Yeah, little bud. You did good.
Just doing my job, Senor.
You did good, buddy.
Pepper and her family have arrived back at their holiday house.
Time for bed. Can we go get a fish, Mummy? Okay.
Granny and Grandpa Pig are looking
He
after
got his little Spider-Man slippers. I'm go ahead and just put that in his closet. This is when he had a potty train wash and he just be wearing it. You throw that away. Of course, he got his remote control on the bed. Still watching Peppa Pig. But he did good, y'all. Like, just a quick little vlog. All right? Say bye. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment down below and let me know what y'all think. Okay? No toddler was harmed or hurt in this video. Okay? So he was just crying because he's just a spoiled little baby. All right? That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. All right. Until next time. Bye.